Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit raw photos in the Lightroom. If you want to edit your photos and make it look professional, then this tutorial is for you. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Lightroom app on your home screen. Now open it. Then choose one photo that you want to edit. Now to edit this raw photo, simply use the edit toolbars right here. Now tap onto the light option and edit it just like this, and choose the best editing option that you like to add to your raw photos just like this. Now choose the color option and you can change the color grading of the photo just like this. Then tap onto the effects button and you can add the effects onto the raw photo just like this. Now you can also add the detailing to your photo using the detail button right here. Now you can use all of these tools to edit the raw photos. You can also crop the photo just like this using the crop button. And you can also remove the background of the photo using the background remover. And that's it. This is how you can edit your raw photos using the Lightroom app. Enjoy editing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.